Joe and Cafe here, Southern Coast Cook Tonight. Tonight, I am going to do a little knife unboxing. These are some new knives I've got from this company. I believe it's called JIKKO, J-I-K-K-O. But some really good, cool knives. I've got several different little additions here, but these are very workable butcher's knives, barbecue knives in the kitchen, whatever you want. Easy to resharpen and absolutely thing of beauty. But this is their Phoenix edition. So we're gonna take a look at this one first. Let me try to get it open here. See how this opens up. I saw these on Facebook, honestly, in an ad. They just really caught my eye. You know, I'm a sucker for a beautiful knife that actually functions well too. So, you know, those are two things that I was happy to learn about these knives. So let's see here. This is the Phoenix collection. Let's see how it opens up, y'all. Cool little packaging. Oh,
and
wow.
Here's some knives.
Yeah, look, oh, look at that. Oh, that is sharp as a razor. Yep. Look, you got a little cleaver here.
And he's going to use those for his cooking
videos. Yeah, look at that. Man, I can do some chopped pork with that for sure. Check that out, okay. And this here looks like almost your all-purpose type. Oh yeah, you see a lot of these style knives on the channels. Oh, not on my channel, but on some other channels, and now you will on my channel. This is a really cool all-purpose, barbecue style, outdoor style knife right there. Comes with a little sheath, so that's cool. All right, let's see. Here's this other one here. Now this is more of a butcher style knife right here. Really pretty. I like these handles. It's like a resin material. Really nice handles, and of course, I mean, you know, razor sharp, I'm sure. Oh yeah, you know. But yeah, so yeah, this is the Phoenix series here. I'll put a link down in the description box. But yeah, forged with precision and care. Talks about, you know, the blades with enriched carbon, making them harder. Just traditional stainless steel, of course, avoid the dishwasher, all that sort of thing. But it's supposed to be really durable knives. All right, so now let's go to this one here. This one's got a dragon on the box. Not sure exactly what series this one's called. Premium hardwood, Pro 15 ultra sharp. Let's just open it up and let's take a look at what we're dealing with here. Okay. Off of there. And this one open. This looks like one of the ones that's gonna, oh, there it goes. Okay, just like that. Ooh, that's a brisket knife. I know exactly what that is. Look at that.
That kind of looks like an alligator.
It does, doesn't it? But yeah, we'll use this bad boy for slicing some brisket. It's got that Damascus look to it as well. Again, I'm sure super sharp. Oh yeah, no problem there. All right, y'all, this next one, this is the one who really brought my attention to this brand. This is the knife I saw first. And this one right here, to me, and I hope I'm delighted with it, but this is their Pearl Eye. To me, this knife is absolutely gorgeous. You know, we always need a new knife in the kitchen. And we just kind of go through it right here. Let's open the Pearl Eye up. So I'll see this. All right. How's that go? Oh, there. I don't want to tear the box up. Let me see. No, I think, yeah, this one just kind of put this off here. Bear with me. Get this open. All right, here it goes. Oh, look at that. Is that
got another knife here.
Look how beautiful that is. Mother of pearl handle. That beautiful blade. Look at that shine. That is gorgeous. Oh, that's what I'm talking about right there. And of course, you know, we got to do a little sharpness test. Let's find another piece of this paper and just, oh, wow. That's gorgeous. I am so excited about this blade right here in the
Yep,
kitchen.
he's gonna do some videos with the.
Oh yeah, absolutely. That's that pearl eye. All right, y'all. We'll be doing
Thanks
some.
for
Yep.
watching. Please click like and subscribe, and in the comments let us know, do you like these unboxing videos, and do you want to see more? And we'll see you guys later. Bye. And
All
post
right.
bell notifications.
All right.